Hi guys and welcome back. I have another inspired Valentine's DIY for y'all, so let's get started. For this DIY you will be needing some Dollar Tree frames, and these are small and I already had these on hand. So these might be seasonal frames, I'm not sure. But these are from Dollar Tree and I picked up 4 of these. I will just be removing the mirrors and the cardboard that's inside, setting those aside for right now, and then moving on to hot gluing them together. As you can see here, once I had them all glued together, I took it outside and spray painted it with the Ivory spray paint. And I will say, try not to be so messy with the glue, because once I spray painted it, it did show through. Just keep that in mind, guys. I moved ahead and started to secure the bottom with this foam board from Dollar Tree as well, and just measuring it to the exact size of the frame. And I will be measuring it from the inside, tracing it, and then just cutting it off. And for the foam board, I will just be securing that with some hot glue at the bottom and making sure it's nice and sturdy. And then I will just be going in with the styrofoam and hot gluing it to the bottom of the foam board. And then I will be using these pictures that I had printed out a while back and never really used, but I will be using them for this project. And just going ahead and using some construction paper, some white plain paper, and attaching that to the picture. That way, as you can see, they're small, so it can look all white in the background. And I will just be inserting those back into the frame, as you will see here, and just doing that all throughout. So this is how it looks once I'm done putting all the pictures in. And now moving on to hiding those gaps from the sides that the hot glue was popping through. And for that, I will just be going in with some spackle and filling in those areas, and then just sanding them down once the spackle dries. And if you guys are wondering why the paint is scratched off, it's because I had tried several techniques to hide the glue that was popping through, but I didn't like them. So at the end, I just went with this technique using the spackle. But if you guys do it the first time, it will look so much neater, trust me. At least y'all will learn from my mistake. And now that that is done, now to the fun part, and that is adding your style of flowers. And for my theme, I went with these pink peached roses that I also got a while back at Michael's during their clearance sales for spring. And I will just be inserting those into the foam and just adjusting them to my liking. And that is all for this DIY, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that way you can stay up to date with my videos. But until next time, guys.